Hi everyone, it's Sandy and thank you for joining me. Before I show you this really fun project, I just want to welcome all of my new subscribers to my channel, and also to those that have been a subscriber of mine and following all of my videos. I really appreciate it, and I do hope you continue watching my videos and tutorials, and hopefully my projects will inspire you to create projects as well. So this project here that I'm going to show you is a loaded pocket. I made the loaded pocket using one of my dies, and it's a Polaroid frame shape die. And then what I've done was I made the window with some vellum and then made it into a pocket, and this is the pocket. And it's just a cute little way to add some goodies for Happy Mail. If you are in a group swap and you're doing a crafty swap, this is a great little pocket to make, and then you can add all of your crafting goodies and then give this to your swap partner, and then also they could make one as well for you. It's also a great little way to just use for gifting other goodies in here as well. So what I've done here is I embellished the front of the Polaroid pocket with this really cute die that says Be Happy. It's a Cocoa and Reno stamp and die set, which is their February kit for this year. It's their geometric shape monthly kit. I'll put the link to Cocoa and Reno's monthly subscription if you're interested in joining in their monthly kits, and you get a different die and stamp set every month. This is also by Cocoa Reno, this cute little bow. I made that into a dangle to decorate the front of the pocket. I did punch a little heart out and stuck it in front of the pocket, and then punched the hole just to make it more sturdy for the chain so it doesn't tear the vellum. Then I just added some charms. And down here I embellished the bottom part of the Polaroid shape. And this here is a paper laid flower embellishment that I've made, and I think it's a great way to finish off any project. And I've got them here. So if you're interested, I do have these in my Etsy store. You get a pack of 4 random paper laid flowers that I've put together, and then you can use these in your projects, or you can give this to a crafty friend. And I'll put the link to my Etsy store down below for you too, and you can have a look at some of my other items that I've listed on there as well. But I'll show you the inside of this pocket. But before I show you, these are the smaller ones that I've made. Aren't they really cute? And I did embellish these using Cocoa Reno's February kit as well for this one here. And that's the stamp set. I did show you guys in another video, and I just added a tassel. This one here isn't a pocket, it's just an embellishment that I made, and I think they just turned out really adorable. So that's that one, and I'll just show you the inside of the pocket. So in here I've made an embellishment as well, and the embellishment was made using the background shape here, which was the cutter part that cuts out this window. So then I just made that into an embellishment, and these little butterflies here are also from this monthly kit by Cocoa Reno's as well. So they do have a lot of fun dies in this month. And then I've also got in here a treat bag that I've made. Try and get that out. Just put that back in there. And this is also a Cocoa and Reno die. I think this is their flower set die, which was last year's kit. So I just made a treat bag, and I used a 6x6 paper to make this. So that was another little project I made. And I also placed in here this really fun pocket pouch. I did a video not too long ago on how you can make these really fun pocket pouches as well. And the pouches were made using the 9 pocket letters that you probably have seen around. And then what I've done is I just cut them individually and made one pocket, and then stuck it to a really pretty decorative paper, and then made a flap as a closure. These are also in my store if you're interested. You get a pack of random 2 different printed paper pouches. So you get one of these pouches and you get another one. And then you also get an extra piece on its own that you could put together yourself if you would like to do that. So you'll get this if you would like to purchase that in my store. And in here is just some packaged treat bags that I also made using 6x6 paper. And that just goes in there, but I'll just show the pocket. So this is the pocket. I think this is such a cute little way to add goodies and then decorate the front of it. And I like the way that you've got this vellum here that just gives you a little bit of a peek to see what's inside the pocket as well. So that's the pocket. And these pockets, if you don't have the die or you'd like to make the pocket, or you don't have the Polaroid shape to make them, I have made some, and I'm going to list these also on my Etsy store. You'll get a random pack of 2 printed Polaroid frame shaped vellum pockets, and then you also get the cutter part that cuts out through the Polaroid shape as well, so then you can also use that for another project as well. So you'll get the 2 sets. You get the pocket and the paper cutter part, and you'll get a random pack of 2 as well if you're interested. They're already listed in my store, so I'll place that there. And I'll just show you how the die looks like, or if you want to make one. Oh, just also the measurement for the pocket, it's 3.5 inches by 4 inches in height. So this is the Polaroid shape die that I have. I mean, if you have any Polaroid die shape, you can make them in, you know, you can also make the pockets out of them. And so when you run it through the machine, it'll cut it out like that, and then you get this part that will cut out, and that's the matching piece. I then just cut some vellum to make it fit for the window, and then you just adhere it to the back of your around the edge of your frame. So that will give you that bit, and then you cut another piece of paper to make the backing, and then you just adhere it to the 3 sides, so along this side and the bottom, and then this side, and then you'll have an opening up here that will make your pocket. So that's how you well, that's how I made the pocket. You can just do it like that, but what I've done with this one, as you can see, I'll just take the window out, I'll go this way. If you can see here, my paper doesn't line up with the frame. What I've done here is I've actually added an extra 1/8 of an inch onto the 3 sides, and then I scored it at 1/8 of an inch on all the 3 sides, and then I just fold that in, and then I place some glue to the 3 flaps, and then I adhere that to the frame. It just gives me extra room on the inside, and it just gives it a little bit of a gusset to give it a bit more of an opening. So you can do it like that if you like, but I just wanted to show you this really fun project, making a pocket with your Polaroid die shape. Again, if you would like to purchase them from my store, you can do that as well. I'll put the link to my Etsy store, and I'll also put the link to Coco and Reno online store if you'd like to be a subscriber of theirs to receive your monthly kits. And I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.